This is China's way of saying it's open for business, and thousands of foreign firms were showing off their wares to Chinese buyers at the International Import Expo in Shanghai. It's the first time the event's been held, and it opened with some big promises.
China will lower tariffs, make customs clearance more convenient, reduce institutional costs in the import sector, and accelerate the development of new business models.
China appears to be rolling out the red carpet to the world as it fights a trade war with the US. Beijing and Washington have already slapped tariffs on hundreds of billions of dollars of each other's goods. And here at the Expo, it's hard to ignore the elephant in the room.
Well, definitely there will be some effect since we export to China, and many of our products do fall under those listed under the new tariffs.
From beef to boats, exhibitors from around 140 countries are all vying for a slice of the Chinese economic pie. That's including more than 400 from Japan, the most of any country. With warming ties between Beijing and Tokyo, the timing couldn't be better.
As the relationships toward North America weaken, it creates opportunities for Japanese companies in particular to maybe catch up or even surpass their level of collaborations with China and Chinese partners.
The Expo's seen Chinese oil giant Sinopec pen agreements worth $45 billion, including a crude oil supply deal from Kuwait.
But not everyone's buying the whole idea of China's import fair. Some Western diplomats and businesses have been silently critical of the event, saying it's a false front to what they see as Beijing's long-standing trade abuses.
Countries like the US feel they're getting the raw end of the deal, but Chinese President Xi Jinping appears to be singing a different tune, emphasising free trade while warning against protectionism. He also says he expects China to import $30 trillion worth of goods in the next 15 years.
If we import more, it can make the current account more balanced, and it can relieve China from the trade tension with the US or with other countries, and also make the renminbi exchange rate a little bit stable.
For now, all eyes are on the G20 summit later this month in Argentina, where Xi's expected to meet US President Donald Trump. He's threatened to slap tariffs on another $267 billion of Chinese exports to the US if the two sides fail to shake hands on trade. Samantha Vadas, TRT World, Shanghai.